wanted to lose some of the belly that I've got. And because I have several medical conditions, it's not just so easy. I have a muscle disease. 10 people out of 1,000,000 have what I have. That complicates things because I basically don't have any muscle or fat in my arms or legs. But I'm also not able to exercise as much as I'd like to. That might help me with weight loss as well. I've been a patient of AgeRejuvenation for about 7 months now. I've shown steady improvement and I've got a ways to go yet. The last 3 months I had lost 5 pounds, not just 5 pounds, but I'd lost 5 pounds of fat. I believe that it's the supplementation that's driving my weight loss. I definitely recommend AgeRejuvenation and love the people here.